Welcome everyone to Tropical Weather Update in Jamaica. My fans them that like my channel, they always want to know what's taking place here in Jamaica. It's 1:53 p.m. Thursday, October 16, 2025, while I'm cooking aisle down, run down. See, me need the flour and everything already. So I'm about to put on my pot. Yes, my fans, it's cloudy, so it seems as if we're gonna get rain, This is the time in the evening. Normally the rain come. Big up all of the new subscribers. Welcome to the family. So great to have you here. All these beautiful ladies and my brothers, them that love my channel. I'm sending pure love and joy and harmony to you and your family. Getting so close to Christmas now. Sorrel, that's the sorrel tree. See the sorrel here, my fans. Just a short video, to show you what's taking place. Hopefully you will give the video a thumbs up and comment on the video. Blessing on top of blessing to all of my fans them that will be watching this video. Yes, jeez. I know I don't get to make down to the chart. Them still in the pod. Lots of rain October, rain every day now.